Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take L-Carnitine liquid for fat loss. Start by checking the product label for concentration and a recommended dose, then measure with a syringe or cap. Aim for 500 mg to 2 g per serving depending on concentration and tolerance, and take it 30 to 60 minutes before workouts. Always pair with protein, carbs, and resistance training, and hydrate well for best results. For timing, consider splitting your total daily L-Carnitine into morning and pre-workout doses to maintain steady levels. If you plan 2 servings, morning and 30 to 60 minutes before training is practical and aligns with common routines. Avoid large evening doses if you notice sleep changes. Keep daily totals within the product's guidance, and check with a healthcare professional if you take medications or have health concerns for personalized advice. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more helpful content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tightly and stack neatly, perfect for pre-portioning L-Carnitine doses with meals or snacks. They save time, cut spills, and keep your plan consistent. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Mix L-Carnitine liquid into water, juice, or a flavored pre-workout to make dosing easy and pleasant. Pairing a small carbohydrate source with the dose can support uptake when taken before training, especially if you want immediate fuel. If you use stimulant-containing supplements, start with lower L-Carnitine doses to monitor tolerance. Track how you feel across workouts and adjust timing or amount to suit your schedule and goals as you progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.